In the next few years, thousands of new engineers and technicians will be needed to help build all the infrastructure that's required if the UK is going to meet all its future energy needs. Tackling this challenge head-on, National Grid has opened a new energy education centre designed to strengthen young people's interest in STEM subjects and promote careers in science and engineering.
The wonderful thing that National Grid are doing here is to put this piece of work, this piece of kit, if you like, also at the disposal of our schools. Because I think that the great thing for young children coming here is that they're not just being taught in a classroom about science and technology and how important it is, they can see it. And I think it's the seeing it in action that is really going to be motivating. So I think that this is absolutely what the government would like to see a lot more of, because we need to get that interest generated so that we can get our next generation of engineers and construction staff.
The fully interactive Energy Education Centre, based at the headquarters of the London Power Tunnels project in Willesden, is an opportunity for pupils to see firsthand how National Grid is working to rewire London. At the same time, visiting primary and secondary school children will learn about how energy is produced, how we consume it, and how we need to change our habits if future energy supplies are to be safeguarded.
Well, we're here at the heart of our big project in London, which is all about tunnels. We're going to spend £1 billion between 2012 and 2018, completely renewing the infrastructure underneath London. That's part of an enormous rewiring of Britain, all to do with modernising our infrastructure, making sure that we've got clean energy for the future. Here's the home of all the tunnels, and we put an education centre here. We're here for 6 years, so we can bring kids into this education centre, explain to them about energy, and importantly, get them inspired about science and technology. We need lots of kids to come and work for us in the future. The energy industry more generally needs thousands of employees. Kids don't get excited enough today about science, climate change, engineering. That's what this centre is all about.
Science is my favourite subject, and I like it here in National Grid.
Science turns out boring in school, but when you start playing with it, it turns out to be fun.